Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn database operations and table operations. Let's start with the database operation. There are four operations we are going to learn. First is to get the list of databases. Let's see it practically. First is show the list of databases. If you wanted to get the list of database, you can use show databases command. Here it is going to show the list of the database. Why you require to get the list? Because if you wanted to work in a particular database, if you wanted to create a particular database but it is already available, so you cannot create it again and again. Here we have this many databases. Now I want to work in my demo database, means my database name is a demo, so I require to create it. To create new database, you can use create database and database name, which is demo. This command you can use and semicolon and enter. So it has been created. Let's check it has been created or not. Yes, it is created. Now here next is a delete database. For example, I want to work in a demo database. I want to create a new database named a demo, but it is already available. So if it is already available, I'm going to delete that database with all the data and again going to create the demo. Or else if another database which is already there and you don't want it anymore, so you can delete it. How you can delete? So you can use using drop database and database name. For example, here we have a ABC database, so I want to delete this, so I'm going to write ABC semicolon and enter. Let's check. Yes, it has been deleted. Now next is open a database. For example, if you have already a database and you want to work on it, or you want to work in a newly created database, you require to open it. Using use command, you can open your database. Use and database name and semicolon. So it has been changed, means you can work in the demo database now. Here one thing I want to tell you, that every command of a MySQL ends with a semicolon. If you are not writing semicolon, means you are continuing with the particular command, you are continuing that command. Next is a table operation. As we got the list of a databases, here we can get the list of a tables using show tables. Enter. Here it is showing empty set because we have newly created this demo. It wasn't there, so we have not created any table yet. Next is create table. Let's create one table. To create table, you require to use create table and table name. Here I want to create table named student, and here I am starting it with a round bracket. Round bracket used to get the list of the columns. Column name, data type and size. Data type I have already explained in a previous video. So here it is student, so student have a roll number. Data type, there are different type of a data type: numeric data type, string data type, date data type, boolean data type, etc. So as per your column, you can use your data type. Here I am going to use integer data type. Its size will be 3 up to 3 digit. Next is a name. Name comes under string data type. There are different string data type available: character, varchar, etc. The difference between character and varchar also I have explained in a previous video. Size will be 50. Next I want to insert date, so I am writing date. Here only 3 columns I have, so I don't require any other, so I'm going to complete this and semicolon. Here one thing you require to notice, that every column ends with a comma, but the last column does not contain comma because this is the last column of a create table command. Here here comma shows that there will be another column, but here there is no next column, and we are completing this command created. Let's get the list show tables. Yes, we have created this table. Next is the viewing structure of a table. For example, you have created a table before 2 days or before months. Now you don't remember what is the name of the particular column or size or a data type. So what you require to do, you require to get this structure of a table. So by that you can come to know the column name and everything. So here we can use describe table command, describe and table name, or DESC table name. Let's see, DESC space student. Here we have created only one table, so we can describe only one table. Here field name, column name, data type, size. It allows us to insert null data in all columns. There is no key available, there is no default value we have given. All these three things we are going to learn afterwards. Next is the insert data. If we have created a table, we are going to insert a value in it. So insert into command is used to insert a new data in a table name with her values. Here we require to write the values in this order, in this column order. First roll number, then name, then birth date. Here first roll number I am giving. Next is the name. I just wanted to tell you that except integer data type, numeric data, every data comes under single quote or a double quote. Here name is a string data, so I'm going to write in a quotation. If you are not going to write a quotation, it will show you an error. Next is a birth date. We require to write a date. Date format must be YYYY-MM-TD. So let's do 7/25, and here only 3 columns, so 3 data, and enter. You can insert one row at a time. If you want to insert another row, you require to use the same command again. For example, here you don't know the birth date of this particular student, so you can leave it blank, or you can insert null data. How to insert null data? Simply using null keyword. Null, if it allows us to insert a null data, that is why. And here we have inserted another row. One more thing I want to make you notice, that whatever changes you want to do, you can do in a current line only. You cannot use backspace or a delete key if once you have written and once you are in the new line. So while you are typing any command, be careful. For today, this we have completed. Thank you.